In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to whitelist a website in Fortinet. This is a handy skill to have, especially if you want to ensure that certain websites are accessible through your network without any restrictions. Fortinet's security features are robust and can sometimes block sites that you might need to access regularly for work or other purposes, so knowing how to whitelist can come in very useful. Let's begin by opening your Fortinet dashboard. Once you're logged in, you'll want to find the search icon, which is usually located at the top of the interface. Clicking on this icon will allow you to quickly navigate to the functionality we need. In the search bar, type Whitelist Website. This will help you pinpoint the exact section you need to be in to manage your website whitelisting. After typing in Whitelist Website, you should see an option or a link that says Whitelist Website. Go ahead and click on that. This action will take you to the specific area within Fortinet where you can manage all the whitelisted websites. Now, it's time to add the website you want to whitelist. Typically, there will be an option to add a new entry. Click on that and you'll be prompted to enter the URL of the website you wish to whitelist. Make sure you enter the correct URL to avoid any issues with access later on. Double check that there are no typos or incorrect characters, as these could prevent the site from being whitelisted. Once you've entered the URL, look for an option to save or apply your changes. This step is crucial because if you don't save your changes, the website won't be whitelisted and you'll have to go through the process again. After saving, the website should now be accessible without any restrictions placed by Fortinet. One tip to keep in mind is to always ensure that the websites you're whitelisting are safe and trustworthy. Whitelisting a site bypasses some of the security features Fortinet provides, so it's important to be cautious about which sites you give this access to. Regularly reviewing your list of whitelisted websites can help maintain security and ensure that only necessary sites are accessible. And there you have it, a straightforward way to whitelist a website in Fortinet. By following these steps, you can easily manage which websites can be accessed through your network, enhancing both accessibility and security. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide helps you navigate Fortinet more effectively. If you found this video helpful, be sure to check out our other tutorials for more tips and tricks on using Fortinet and other security tools.